first, you want to draw a straight line with your hands across, and then you drop your arm, and then you bend down, and then it's like a straight line again. So straight line, straight line. From the side, it looks like that. So I'm slouched when I bend down. And then from here, I want to scoop out. Scoop out to draw a circle. So, and you want to step to your right. And when you step to your right, you want to make sure your leg is facing that way. And also, you want to step out with your hips. Not like that, not like that. No. It's not like that. But it's more like, you know what I mean? Step up from your hips, kind of. So scoop out, and then from here you out, in, out. So it's like, and then you want to draw number 8 shape with your hands, and the hand it looks like that, and then you out, in, out, and then out, in, out. So out, in, out, and then from here you want to make sure your hand is straight and it's at the bottom. It's at the low. It's at the bottom, and your hand is like that. Okay, and then from here it's like you're pressing something down. You want to scoop your left leg to kick. So in order to kick like that, you need to make sure it's outwards first, because if it's like that, then it's a bit hard to kick. So you need to, so from here, and then you want to nod as well. And then from here, after you do this, you land and you want to switch to weight. So my weight was going on the right, so you want to switch slowly. And then when I switch, I want to rotate my shoulder as well, right shoulder. 1, 2, and then the third time you want to put more energy. So 2, 2, 2, and then you lift up your right leg. 2, 2. So like that. So 2, 2, 2, 2, and then look to your right, and then come back. So 2, 2, and then do repeat to the opposite. Now you land and then you rotate again, rotate, and then you pull your elbow to the back, to your right hand, right? Like that. It's diagonal. So and then you lift up your left leg, and you look back again. You look back again and then look front. Okay, so not just the hand like that, but make sure your shoulder also can forget to. No, and then left, right, left, like stopping. Okay, and then make sure you draw a straight line too. So stop, left, right, left. Okay, then you want to continue with this hand shape and then draw a straight line across. Left, right, ra-ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta. Okay, and then slouch, left, right, left. And then tucking, stand up shoot. Boom, boom, chk, chk, boom. So here what I want to do is the back of your hands are both facing front, like boom, and then lift your right hand or arms above your head, slightly above the head or like the forehead area, and then you want to not completely drop down, but drop down to here. So boom, and then second boom, you flip your right wrist like that outwards. Boom, and then you want to completely drop down the second time out. Boom, and then across, straight line, across, and then it's the tongue. And then when you want to, your fingers will come up like that. So from here, okay, and then from here you want to rotate like that. So like that, rotate, rotate, and then you want to step back as well. Rotate, and then you pull forward, go forward, and then from here you want to tilt your weight to the front and then face to the left. And then you want to lift your right leg. And what your right hand will do is like that, like that. So it's like patting someone on the back. And then right. Okay. Right. So you step out on your right leg to the back. And then now you want to pat someone on the back like that. So ha. Turn direction. Turn direction. And then it's like that. So it's from here, right? So you will look something like that, right? So you will look something like So scoop down and to the mouth. With your hand do that. Scoop down into the mouth. Scoop down into the mouth. Ha. Okay. So right. Weight on the right. Okay. From here. Okay. From here. Weight on your right. And then your wrists are clenched and then weight on your right. And then you want to bend down. And then right. Okay. Very confusing. I know. Okay, let's break it down. The hands first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Fingers like that. 1, 2, 3. Very fast. Okay. So So on the third, your leg should be lifted up a bit. And then after this, you want to open. And then bend your right leg. And then look up. Like that. Look up. Open. Look up. And then you close. But close with only your left hand. And you turn front. And then you want to kick with your right leg, sorry. And then like that, right? You leave only your left hand. Turn direction, and then kick with your right leg. Like again. And then from here, you stomp, and then you want to do this. Your hand will be still this shape, and then front, right, left, right, or left, right, left, or I think whichever is fine. I think right, left, right, left, right. So while doing this movement, so kick, right, jump. Okay, so again, kick, okay, practice again and again. Just practice this. Kick, So kick, okay, kick, kick, okay, and then from here, again, same, boom, boom, and it's time.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.